Baylen Dupree's Tourette tics ramp up at airport as she shouts one off-limits phrase in TSA, exclusive. Hello friends, I'm AVM, welcome to my channel. For the latest news update, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. In her new TLC series, Baylen Dupree is showing some of her most vulnerable moments, ones she hasn't been able to share with her millions of fans on social media. The second episode of Baylen Out Loud, which airs on Monday, January 20 at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, sees the 22-year-old and her mom traveling away from their home in West Virginia. What might be a typical wait in a busy TSA line is complicated by Dupree's Tourette syndrome, which causes her to tic intensely as they move through the airport. Her involuntary outbursts cause Dupree to shout a number of things, such as comments about people around her and more vulgar language. Upon seeing a sign prohibiting bringing firearms past the checkpoint, the viral TikToker even claims to have a gun on her. In a confessional, Dupree's mother, Julie, explained how she best handles these types of extreme attacks. When Baylen starts ticking like this, the best thing to do is essentially active ignorance, the mom of 5 told the cameras. Just let her do her thing. Ahead of the show's premiere, Dupree spoke to people about how her surroundings often impact her tics. It happens more when she's anxious, and certain noises can influence her behaviors too. It's a phenomenon called echolalia, which causes Dupree's brain to pick up repetitive sounds and movements. While she can't mute the ongoings of an airport, she can manage her consumption of certain media, like social media or television. Since noticing her susceptibility to such external factors, Dupree reduced her screen time significantly. That's one thing that I know I can control, the amount of intake, she explained. I can't scroll through TikTok because I will hear every sound and repeat every sound.